Hello, it's Liz here with Stampin' on the Rock. It is Tuesday, March, what is it today? March 12th. So I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but for me right now, it is Tuesday, March 12th. There's a lot going on right now because I will be leaving on Thursday for a Stampin' Up! Conference, which I'm super excited about. I love it. Stampin' Up! Always spoils us and goes over the top, and just we get treated very well, and we learn lots of things, and we connect with people, and it's fabulous. So I kind of debated maybe not doing a video today, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do something a little bit different with you today. I'm not showing you a card beginning to end, but one of the things that I hear often is it's just coming up with the idea and coming up with the design and how to come up with the design. So let me just share with you something that is something fairly simple, I think, that you can relate it or use it with whatever products you have. So rectangles, okay? Look at this card here. So let me pull in this is, you can copy this card exactly if you wanted to, but that's not really the point of what I want to share with you here. These are two rectangles. So these rectangles are, let me just give you an approximate size here, 3 inches to probably 2 1/4. Okay. Let's try to measure this here. 2 1/4. Okay. So you have a background, a base, and then you have two rectangles that are 2 1/4 by 3 inches. Okay, these are both the exact same size, 2 1/4 by 3 inches. So look through your pattern papers. Just find two different papers that you like. They're in the same pack, so the colors will all be the same. And you can cut them 2 1/4 to 2 1/4 by 3 inches. And you can layer them like this. And then find a focal point. This is a punch here with the B. But I'll show you something else you could do. But and then some words, okay? So it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but use this as your design. Use this as your template to make another card. So 2 1/4 inches by 3 inches are your rectangle pieces, and then just overlap them. I did stamp on this piece on the back here, but you don't have to. And then my words and my focal point, okay? So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the same design to make a card that looks very different. So hang on. So I'm pulling in this one here, okay? This paper is a celebration paper, but again, that's not really the point. Grab papers that you have. There's some beautiful new papers in the not new, but beautiful papers in the catalog that if you've been waiting on some of those, go ahead and order those now. But this one here, this background piece, I ran through an embossing folder. Now these rectangles are, let's see. These rectangles are about 1 3/4 by 4. Okay, so here I took two pieces of paper, of designer series paper from the same pack. Sorry, move this down. Two papers from the exact same pack of paper, and it's, what did I just got done telling you? Sorry, 1 3/4 by 4. So I cut two pieces, 1 3/4 by 4, layered them so that they're offset just a little bit like this, and then I pulled in that bunny punch and punched the bunny and put the bunny right here. I punched out a flower. That's from another die set. And then I put my words down here. So you'll see that the design, the layout is pretty much the same. Now my rectangles aren't the exact same size, but that might depend on what words you want to put on there. But it's the same idea. So making cut out two rectangles from a pack of designer series paper, layer them with it being offset a little bit, add a focal point, add your words. Boom. This one here got stamped on the background. This one here, I ran through the embossing folder. So take that idea and run with it. Two rectangle pieces overlapping. Choose a focal point in the center. If you wanted to, you could put like a circle in the center and stamp like flowers. Grab your favorite stamp set and stamp something that you want to do in the middle, a mailbox or what. I mean, we have so many things. Ice cream cone. But you could stamp something in the middle rather than punch. Like these were punched out, but you could easily stamp something and put it on a circle right in the center and do that also. So I hope that just gives you an idea of a layout so that you could not be so stuck in designing a card. So take that idea, go for it, have fun, and check my Instagram, Facebook. If you're watching this when I'm recording it, check out those things over the next few days because I'm going to be having a great time in Houston, and I'll share some things on Instagram, which is lizpapercrafter. You can find me there, or on Facebook, which is Stampin' on the Rock. And I would love to share some things with you and have you go along that little trip with me. So take this idea, though, run with it, have a good time, and I will talk with you later. Thanks so much. I hope you found that helpful. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.